got the D's on there with the Vogues, you feel me? And that boy on three-wheel motion. Look at that. On three-wheel motion. This look like what's that car? You know who I'm talking about? It ain't the same car though, but he ain't got that steering wheel. Remember with the small steering wheel? It gets hard though. It's a, what is this? Yeah, I did. Yeah, I did. Yep. Boy on them things, you feel me? That boy on them things. This old school right here, man. Look, bro. I get it all, you feel me? I get the slabs, I get the low riders, I get the donks, I get the old schools, the customs, whatever, you feel me? Y'all can't say this ain't hard. Look how good it looks on the inside too. Well, hold on, back to this one right here, right? Look at that bed, man. Look at the inside, man. Look at the inside of that motherfucker. Y'all can't say that ain't hard. Yep. Look at that. 65 Bel Air. Y'all know this shit hard, boy. Hey man, say man, it's an H-Child thing. Hey man, hey, I'm just saying, bro. I'm just saying. You feel me? Oh yeah, oh. And they got the bikes out here, huh? Hell yeah. That right there, yeah, that fifth or the third wheels. Y'all can't say that ain't hard, man. Y'all can't say that ain't hard. Old school, man. This is hard, boy. Boy, look at that. Got that motherfucker right. Man. Y'all can't say this ain't hard, bro. Y'all can't say it ain't hard, man. The homie Willie, and the slab killer. You feel me? It's an H-Town thing, man. It's the Texas thing. Yeah, he got it lit up. Let me see. Hey, it's tight right there, boy. That mural. It says, yes, sir. Hey, we get some wings here, huh? We get some wings here. Yeah, we get some wings here.
I don't care, as long as I get them.
Yeah. Oh, look. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Alvin, Texas, baby. Where we at? We in Pearland. Huh? Hell yeah. Yeah, it is. Look. That boy sitting up in the air. Look at that. All right, man. So yeah, had to holler at the homie for a minute. Cause look, man, y'all know, y'all see my car, man. If you've been following the channel, y'all see my car, whatever. But I want an old school. You know what I'm saying? That's what I want. And so the guy, one of the homies or whatever, shit, he know how to do them trunks and shit. And so shit, hey, if I get the old school, I'll let y'all watch me put the project together. You know what I'm saying? Cause I ain't never done it, so it'll be a learning experience for me. But if I get an old school, I'll let y'all watch me put it together. I put it on the Hood Adventures channel. You feel me? What is it? A Caprice? A two-door Caprice? He got the motor out. I see your boy. Old school truck. It's like a Blazer. That boy got the. Damn, let's see, boy. He got the batteries and pumps in that bad boy. Let me see. We're gonna go over here. Oh, I ran into his damn thing. Sticking out. I thought something was falling on me. What's that? That's for the curb. They call them curb. You know, it lets you know when you get too close to the curbs.
Chain, though. It's a chain.
Oh, I ain't seen the chain.
Attached to the car.
They just had to put that because of monster, but until people start moving, it'll be good. Bro, you're in the vehicle?
Sedan DeVille, you heard me? Look at that old Regal. Y'all see it, man. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Yeah, y'all see it.
I got it for the other one. Well, I can't remember what it's called, but I got it for the other one.
This that Monte Carlo right here. Remember training day? That was our training day right there. Oh, my bad. Hard, boy. That bitch hard, boy. Yeah, that's off a training day. Big Monte Carlo. Man, El Camino hard too. Man, that's GTO. This is here hard. Oh, I gotta get this. That's hard. Cobra. Damn, hard, feet. Alright. Get this pretty motherfucker right here. That be hard, boy. That blue is hard. That blue hard. That Impala. Look at that, man. Man, I missed the hopping contest, man. When we pulled up, they had the hopping test going on. The hopping contest, we missed that part, but it's all good. Texas style right here, man. Texas style. Shout out to Texas. Hey, man. Hey, look at this black one, though. This black one hard, too. What it say? Walters Customs, okay. Houston, Texas, man. Y'all see it. It says, what it say? It's hard. It says living high. Okay, living high, ride low. Okay. He got the spare in the trunk. Okay. Living high, ride low. Okay. I ain't even see those Impalas, them 6-4s back there though. Yeah, got the Big Daddy grill on the front, baby. Hell yeah. Boy, I got King Kong in the trunk. Hell yeah. King. Hell yeah. Uh-oh, excuse me. That bitch here hard too. That old school, not really old school, but the Charger. Hell yeah, that bitch hard though. I had the steering wheel come out. You saw the steering wheel come out, that's cool as fuck. That motherfucker wheel big on that bitch. Oh, hard. Y'all see it, man. Yeah, that motherfucker hard, boy. Man, look at this tall motherfucker right here, man. Man, this bitch is taller than a bitch, boy. It says Concrete Kings.